why fashion blogs struggle with SEO and how to fix it. Now, if you're running a fashion blog, the thing is you need good images. Okay, so you need good images to get user engagement, because fashion is something that you attract with the creatives, and of course people look at how good your fashion is, and you have to the only way to show how good your fashion is not through text but through images. So you can use Nano Banana Pro. Let me just go to the Nano Banana. Yep, so you can use the Google's latest Nano Banana 2 with combining pro capabilities and lightning fast. You can do it. And to fix this, they struggle with SEO, right? Of course, you need to have a good alt text to images. Now, if you're using Arrow, you can come into the customization, and here click on custom images, and here you can add upload new folder. You can click on new folder, upload all your fashion images, and Arrow, this AI automatically does everything for you. It adds the alt text for you. Okay, so that's how you automate.